Okay, I got into good news. Okay, as you may remember that I said I was getting an EST panel. Well, it has just been sent out. It should be here. Oh, I forgot today is Friday, so it's not going to be shipped over the weekend. But the EST panel should be here in about 2 weeks. It's actually it was from a local installation. It's another EST panel, believe it or not. And this is the EST2 voice Evac. It was from a local building that was just torn down, and they're sending it over here. So we're going to have the simplex panel here until tomorrow afternoon, because we're going to measure it and put it in a box. And the EST2 should be here. I have to buy more parts for it though, because it only has the microphone and the audio recording thing, the 2 MDM. And I asked one of my fellow EST techs if he could send me down some power supply in the Sega line card. So that's all. This is probably going to cost like $800. Not that much. But of course, with him, he can get it for me like slash the price by 3/4, so I can get it like dirt cheap because we're very good friends. And he'll get me anything he can. He'll pay more and he'll give it to me for 3/4 of the for more than half the price. Less. Well, I can't count because I failed math. But yeah, I'm going to get it for like 1/3 of the price. I meant to say yeah. Yeah, it's going to be like dirt cheap. But I'm waiting for his response right now. The panel should be here in 2 weeks. I'm going to start tracking it. And once it's here, I'm going to have to wait till I get the cards in. And we're going to see what goes from there. So I'll have the EST2 here. And we will test it out and see if there's an actual message on there. Now the best thing about the EST2 is I can program it from my MacBook Pro. So I don't have to have any software, which is the good thing. I can program anything I want to do from my MacBook Pro. I don't even need a software key, which is the good thing. So yeah, that's what's going to happen. The EST2 is going to probably go in my room. And if you probably remember, we took all the speakers down because as I said in one of my previous videos, we have officially moved out. We're officially moving out. So the first thing we did was we took the simplex panel down, all the speakers and strobes. We had to take all the smoke detectors out. There's some floating around here that we don't even know where they are. And then we're going to take all the furniture and everything out, ship it down the movers. The simplex panel is going with the movers. The movers said they will take it. So instead of taking it to simplex, we are going to. I have to call simplex now. I have to call Bill Brown and tell them I'm not sending it to them. There goes my deposit. But anyway, yeah, that's going to happen. The EST2 is coming in. 4100U is going out to our new location, and the EST2 is going to be staying here until the very last day. I'm going to probably put it in the back of my Ford F-150 and just drive it down to Florida. I'll probably put it in the passenger seat. Yeah, very funny, but or I could put it in the back seat. I just don't want it to get broken. So yeah, and then my friend, my EST tech, who I know one up here and there's one down in Florida. So the one in Florida is going to install it for me in the new house. The simplex panel I don't know because the friend who's in Florida was originally up the road from us. Believe it or not, I never knew he was there. If I knew he was there, I would have flipped out and been asking him questions day by day. But he was the one who gave me this panel because it was replaced by an EST3 system. But now it's going to be replaced by an EST2 system. I'm going to probably take it to college with me. Of course, I'm not going to plug it in, of course. I'm just going to have it there as like a relic or something like that. Not a relic, but an artifact. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm keeping it. I'm not selling it. So the EST2 is going to be here 2 weeks. And the simplex panel will be going out probably in January. So yeah, check back in for later news.